This one is different, folks, and it has a very special part that is my favorite upgrade. Aprilia RSV4 factory limited edition speed white. Huge thanks to Kevin. This is not Taze. This is actually another speed white going to Kevin later today. Very special upgrade on this. I'll point it out at the end of this video after I turn it on and give you a quick detailed walk around of this awesome bike. Let's get right into it. Extreme Components, killing it, love them. In this case, Kevin chose regular shift pattern. Love Extreme Components, rear sets. NRC tail tidy. Good news, the hardware is nice and secure. Let's turn the lights on for you guys real quick. That's what that looks like. NRC, the go-to, at least for now. Stock brake lever while we wait for more Rizoma 3D adjustable brake levers. We're sold out, folks. Sold right through them, waiting for more, but we love these. If you saw Taze RSV4 video, I love these Rizoma levers because of the way they glide up and down the glove very easily and smoothly. Now, what do you guys think of the Rizoma stealth mirrors on this bike? Look at those graphics on this bike. This speed white RSV4 is sexy as f. I love it. The sun just popped out so you can see those colors pop. Let me turn the bike on for you guys first, and then I'll point out my favorite upgrade on this bike so far. Let's do it. Wow, sounds a little different, doesn't it? And that was only to 7,000 or 8,000 RPMs because I'm still putting on the break-in miles. Brand new motorcycle. Now, let me point out my favorite upgrade, my favorite accessory, the Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system. Can I see the headers? No. Yes, a little bit. Anyway, Kevin, smart man, went with the full exhaust system. Yes, he's gonna map it. Maybe a little break-in, but that's why this thing sounds just a little different. I can't wait to see what Kevin does to it. I know he's a track day junkie, so we'll be seeing this bike out at some track days soon enough. What am I forgetting? Anything? Now, why don't we take a quick onboard ride through your favorite GTA 5 tunnel, and let's get some Akrapovic full exhaust system audio for you guys. Let's do it. Okay, short ride back to the shop through your favorite tunnel. Let's hear this. 2023 Aprilia RSV4 factory limited edition in speed white with a full Akrapovic exhaust system. Let's do it. Wow, that'll do it. Yeah, that sounds a little different. Love it. I think we're going to add a little tire pressure, a little air to these tires before Kevin takes the bike home. That's why we do these test rides, to make sure all systems are perfect. Beautiful day. Very beautiful motorcycle in Santa Monica, California. Saturday morning.
Always brings a smile to my face. Don't forget to watch one of these videos, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.